Hello everyone, this is Tanya Kapoor. So I'm out with my first ever video on makeup and that too on highlighters, which are everybody's favorite. So I'll be adding all the links in the description box. In case you want to buy any of these highlighters, you can check my description box and buy them from the links provided. And do like, comment your views on my video so that I can improve in my next video. Thank you so much. Without wasting any time, let's get into the video. So this is the first highlighter I'm having. It is Wet n Wild's Blossom Glow. This suits from fair to medium skin tones. This ranges around 500 rupees. This is a peach kind of a highlighter having light silver hints to it. It looks beautiful on fair skin tones. Next highlighter I'm having is the Swiss Beauty's Fusion highlighter, which is like touching heights right now in the YouTube community. So this is in the shade 02, which is rose gold. This is having rosy effect with hints of golden, which looks beautiful on medium to darker skin tones. So I will prefer them to buy this highlighter if they want to go for a very natural look. This doesn't have any of the particles which show up on your skin and spread out and which looks fake. So this is not having any of the glitter particles, any of the shimmer particles. It is very subtle and looks very beautiful on skin. As you can see the swatch of it, this one's smoothly glides on the skin and gives you a radiant glow. Okay, so this ranges about 300 rupees from Purple or from Nykaa. Then I have this Master Chrome highlighter, which is a bomb highlighter. Like, this is such a good highlighter I ever seen in my life. So this is on the shade 050 and this is Molten Rose Gold. This is again very similar to the Swiss Beauty one, as it is also in the rose gold shade, but this one is having even little light gold to it. It's more champagne-y kind rather than golden. So this looks beautiful on fair to medium skin tones. Very smooth, very beautiful, smoothly glides on the skin, gives you a stunning effect. But this is definitely very pigmented. Of all the highlighters I'm going to show you today, this is highly pigmented highlighter. Ranges about 500 rupees on Flipkart, Amazon and all. Next highlighter I'm having is this Miss Rose Professional highlighter, which is beautiful, very similar to the packing of Milani highlighter, which cost you around 1300 rupees, and this one cost you around only 500 rupees. And this is again a very beautiful and a subtle highlighter. This is not that pigmented, I would say. This is a very beautiful light highlighter you can use on day-to-day basis. And this is again a very beautiful color, that is 02, and you can use this for fair skin tones and medium skin tones. Yeah. Packaging is amazing, but definitely I'll say that this is not that pigmented that you can use it as a function or all. So yeah, you have to be choosy about that. You have to use a pigmented highlighter or a subtle highlighter in your functions. Then this is the Baking Highlight from In Color Cosmetics. This is in the shade 03 Flight Shimmer. I think you'll get this on Myntra. I'll check it out. But this highlighter is very beautiful. Like, this is in a silver color, but it does have a little bit of shimmer particles to it, which looks amazing in functions and all. So in night time, this highlighter is the one you should definitely carry. As you can see, this is silver highlighter. It's very popping on fair skin tone, so I will not recommend this on medium to deeper skin tones. So only fair skin tones can use this highlighter according to my recommendation. Yeah. So this one cost me around rupees 400. Yeah, on discounts you can get it in 300 to 400 rupees definitely. So these are all the highlighters in this video I've shown you. I'll show more in another video, like in palette form and all, but these are all my top 5 highlighters which I like to use anytime, anywhere. So please have a close look of all the shades and my swatches. Thank you so much for joining, and thank you so much for watching my video. Please like, subscribe and comment your views. I would love to see them all. Thank you so much.